Hey my friends, this is Daniel Alley, and today I want to talk with you about a subject that so many people have asked me over the years. How did I attract my wife? How did I get Shivani into my life? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did in order to attract her, in order to keep her, and in order to promise her the future and actually deliver on those promises. So listen up. The first step that I used to attract my wife is to have unstoppable desire. You see, I knew at this time in my life that I absolutely needed a woman. I was done playing games with all the little girls, and I was ready to find the wife of my dreams. After going through all this heartbreak, after dealing with so many different people and facing so much rejection, I said to myself that I must resolve at this moment to find a wife. It wasn't like I said, oh, one day I'll find a wife, or one day I'll be able to hit all the parameters that I need in order to find the soulmate that I want. No, I said to myself, this is the moment. I'm absolutely ready for the wife of my dreams. The second step I took to attract my wife was a requirement. You see, not only did I desire, but there are certain things that I required. A certain height, a certain personality, a certain sense of humor. And I knew that if I had those qualities in a woman, it would make me happy for the rest of my life. What I'm basically saying is that in that moment of my life, there was no one more that I needed than my wife. I was going through so much in the workplace, in my school. I was on drugs, I was confused, and all I needed was someone who can talk to me consistently. All I needed was someone who could understand the thoughts that I was having in my mind. All I needed was someone who could connect with my heart and the person that I knew I wanted to be. And she came along at the right time, in the right way, and in the right place. So the first step is that I desired her. The second step is that I required her. And the third step is that I acquired her. Because once I knew exactly what I needed, I knew the kind of person I needed to attract into my life. At this point in my life, I was tired of being a failure. I was tired of living under my potential. I was tired of being broke, being confused, being lost. And I knew I was done flinging around in certain relationships. I knew I was done wasting time with certain people in certain places doing certain things. And I knew it was time to make a change. I became so intentional that over the years I learned about the things I didn't want, and it helped me to understand the thing that I did want. I was tired of the false relationships. I was tired of the manipulations. I was tired of people lying to me, cheating on me, fooling me around, and wasting my time. And all of a sudden, I came to the conclusion that I had to search diligently for the woman of my dreams. So now you might be asking, okay Daniel, now I'm ready to hear the story. Tell me how you manifested your wife. So one day, it was my birthday. I was about to throw a party, but it was actually one of the most suicidal days of my life. I really wanted to kill myself because I'd gone through an epic breakup from a girl that I dated for over 2 years. And she broke up with me without notice, without even ever explaining why she did it in the first place. In fact, to this day, we still never even talked about what she did and why she decided to do it. As my family prepared for my birthday party, I was in the basement, researching on Facebook, looking for my wife. And finally, I found the woman of my dreams. I added her, and all of a sudden, she added me back. That day changed my life. Now, of course, I went out and I partied, but I couldn't stop thinking about the connection that I just made. I knew somehow that this was going to be a very important relationship, and that is how I attracted my wife. The reason why I'm sharing this video with you is because I want to inform you, but I also want to inspire you of the spiritual process required to reach the spouse that you really want in your life. And I want to also let you know that there is such a thing as a soulmate. I firmly believe that what God sends into your life, no person can ever separate. And if there's someone that you know that's in your life that you need to talk to and become more intimate with, then make sure to do it. I've seen so many people who've neglected certain relationships that were meant to be, and the years went by and finally they end up being back together. My friends, don't let that be you. Don't let your ego get in the way. If there's someone that you've met a long time ago that you can't stop thinking about, go ahead and contact that person if you can. Ultimately, I just wanted to share my testimony so you can understand exactly where I'm coming from. If you want to hear Shivani's story, just type yes in the section below and I'll make sure that I get her on this YouTube channel. There's so much more I want to share with you, my friends. So if you want to manifest the spouse of your dreams, make sure to take the steps that I shared with you today. Again, this is Daniel Alley, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share this video with someone else that you know absolutely needs it, and please make sure to follow me on all my other social medias. Again, this is Daniel Alley, and I'll see you in the next video with your potential spouse. Take care.